Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so what friend me Adwoa searching
each other from way back. And at a point in time, Okatakyie support to Yeda. Yanendia now pay. And then they want support to what? Yanendia won't pay. Yes, that is nature. And we must respect a man for opinion. The same words we use you know when you are supporting us. The same words no use. If you can counter him, you counter him. But I mean, we should. So yenjai obia no obia enye de woye. Yenjai obia no. So far as I mean, say or cancel defamation, you can go to court. You can go to court. But the point is, I have received so many messages. And then me kotra de bi minuanom NDC for be didi matem na mortgage NDC with minuanom no. The fact that Obi NDC money Okatakyie problem doesn't mean I should have a problem with him. How? Why? So, NDC Musa call NPP no. Oh no, ye na adwuma na me so me ye ma adwuma. We meet, we chat, we laugh, and we walk away. It is an NDC we near. At the end, I say I'm headache, so between baby and a juma. What do I care? I can only disagree with him on issues. It ends there. Yeah, we are a coffee bakumu. That's all. Yes, if you come and tell me Okatakyie is better, yeah, I believe it. But it doesn't warrant me to have an issue with him. But we can disagree. We can disagree. Why? At the end of the day, your friend say, Otiko Jaba. And your friend say, Yebra John Mahamanum. Nini no more. And Mutabawa. But they go to the same house. But they have different political opinions. Otiko Jaba atemidie bena Otiko Jaba crowd and then you direct ni moja ene John Mahama otimi didi na time to sakola, but they go to the same house. They go and sit down and eat, chat and laugh. Ebi kura favors bi wo Otiko Jaba benya o JM ho mi Bobie minya. Ebi a favors bi wo Otiko Jaba atemidie wadi John Mahama nyina no obenya sesie amene o kase ya mi Bobie me kosoro ba for me nya sa favor bi da. So at least sese kwabna makachiro ye nyina kwabna ya asantefo o ye nua, you can only disagree with him. It ends there. Why? No more maka no so omodo do omo pa ti emo bi n2fo ema onko ya de a enye. Yes, on disagree there, I disagree. Williams, so bet me akonifia akobono dia kobono. Yane dia mean su kwai. So bet me ananti Okatakyie fi akobono a. Ko sa ukwa no ojira wa sa bumi a. No abono. Now ko. Anyway, let's move on. Me say senye ahoya any otanya. And I would dare your friend say, and the prices dropped. Passing air. And ye starting from 17th June. Ochna. And 17th. And a dahono. Edaha. Edie. And a dahano. Omundi atu ase. Untimi nya ho hwe enie. Minianum Gordon asarbedi ako kwaku dawro Kwame Afrifa ene omoaka say mo kofro passing air je madam romanti ya titi say hu dia kan de mobu na afuo ana asem wo and I'm on Rudy Amonia. And yeah, many are quite me a free for say, or pray what you say, and I say me so, and I say me who say video be what dear CMP pimping for no so, Munyani, and I'm saying, I want a Kekako. Momo party then I'm on to in the year. Agu, NPP, Agu. Passionate announces fare reduction across all destinations. I didn't come bro for ba. I didn't in here. Vivian upon this will say, yay. Agu. I didn't come by fear. Yeah, Kakuduru was through. Kwagu, Messi Kwagu, I didn't Ajiagu, Kwagu, for now.
Brass and Jamfi, and few be a why. I then few be a dollar a good briefcase, my young fan toy, and fee NDC full soldiers. And few be a farmer part. Fasikano, mama part. No one famura na sorimu, and Piakra Menyame. Na ton kotokuro kogu omo 4 years time na dia mo no makobo ban e police station kwasiafo briefcase musika ye de to wi ni jot ko party office no akwaji 20 cities no ato wi no ato jot na wonam e na ekufu ado e waso otukoko mu ko system ile e na ekuafo na adu sisimo e na oye trimodinfo obi obehwe nyanka ne nwisi aye trimodinfo ene yama wo $10,000 wo yama $10,000 ya de be dey adwuma ben no wabie na wo de say sika na kowuram I invest ya de mama part experience ye wo wiase nyina okura bi wa ye adwuma abosomfie amanyame asan afre no ye adwuma wo nyankopon fie ti yeso onfa nko ya asori yie entwe akra manyame ya tose kan akogu ho o party office 4 years time shia ya naje ko polling station ko boban na ye boa dollar a good briefcase ya de ton kunsara awani abere ho ko demonstration kuma actors money abre mo ko demonstration all because of say sami jamfiama me maami agra da sika obi onu di sika ko ye nyamedwuma no enka wono sidi ni yamfama no nyamedwuma sidi ene fata nyamedwuma ohun nyamedwuma obi okru experience say eye nyankopon adwuma yema ni sidis na wo yema o dollar nkoto wi no bibi yam mo bibi yam mo nyam hunu hwe mo na mo ni nam kurase aboye na mo ni koko akuafo obokoko akufu adu sisimo achim ni iwe mo nyam hunu hwe mo nyam hunu hwe mo ntena se entwen yen 4 years time mo 20 na mo de to mo wi ni mo dwoto ne de yenya amamo ne ya ton se kan 1,648,000 so akogum ho ai se kan na mo de ya ma mo de hia ye party office na ya to bi akogum ho afi de mo mfa bi ma ya to bi akogum party office ho ai ya de be ma mo no makobo ban e wo polling station mo de ya no briefcase musika sabi ye mfa nto cigarette ene wi mate Enfanto cigarette ni wi mama part o man yin chechire ya ne nkoso wo ka ho bi nti wo deserve $1 wona e kan no me hu na no pay kura o kan ma fi